Hi guys, in this video we're going to be creating a Facebook catalog and using the Happy Feeds Facebook catalog app in order to get our Shopify products into the Facebook catalog. So in this demo store I have 4 products ready to use to demo the application. Let's jump over to the app section of our Shopify store, and I have the Happy Feeds app installed here. If you've just installed the app, you're going to see a screen similar to this, and the first thing that we're going to do is click on Generate Feed. And what this will do is take the product information that we have in Shopify and go through each product and create a file that is readable by Facebook in order to create the Facebook catalog. Alright, let's click on Generate Feed in order to go through our products. We'll get a little summary here of the number of products in our shop and the number of variants in our shop, and also a link to the feed file, which we'll go over in a second how to get that feed file into Facebook. Alright, so we've clicked Generate Feed, and what has happened? We've got 3 products here and 5 variants, but if we go back to the product section of our store, we saw there were 4 products. The reason 3 products only show up in the feed is because this one product is unavailable, so it's unpublished from the online store. And the reason we had 5 variants in the application showing up was because this one product has 3 variants with different titles, inventory levels, prices, SKU, and other information. Alright, now let's jump into Facebook, and this is the step where we're creating a Facebook catalog. The way you get to catalogs is by this big menu up top. Go to under Assets and Catalogs, and you'll end up in this screen. Let's click Create Catalog to go into the flow that Facebook has of creating a new catalog. We're going to pick e-commerce for this since we have a Shopify store, which is e-commerce. In the next screen, we're going to be naming our catalog. We'll just call this Happy Feeds Demo Store and hit Create. So the catalog is created. Now we can go and view catalog. And we'll jump into the catalog manager automatically. And what we want to do now is add products. And when we hit add products, we're either going to be adding manually or using data feeds. And our app is creating a data feed, so we'll pick the data feed option. Next, it'll ask you, how do you want to upload your data feed? Do you want to upload once or set a schedule? We're going to pick set a schedule. Alright, once you pick set a schedule for your option of how you want to upload your data feed, we're going to be needing to provide Facebook with a data feed URL. And the way we get this data feed URL is by jumping back into our apps on our Shopify store, go into the Happy Feeds app, and then click this big orange button that says View Feed. And what that'll do is take you to the actual file, and you'll see a bunch of information about your products. But what we want to do is copy paste the URL. So take the URL that you have on your screen and jump back into Facebook and copy paste that URL into this text field. And what we want to do now is schedule a basically update period or update frequency of our feed. You have the freedom to choose what kind of schedule you want. For this demo, we're just going to do daily at, let's say, 3 a.m. every morning, and set our time zone. And what this basically says is Facebook, go and use this URL, try to get the most updated set of product information from our store every day at 3 a.m. And then entering a data feed name here, we just call this maybe Happy Feed Application Catalog. Okay, and then we're selecting our default currency here. For our demo store, we have USD. And then we hit Start Upload. Depending on the volume of products that you have, obviously, this might take a few seconds or longer, depending on how many products you have in your Shopify store. What we can do now is jump into products, and if that uploading went well, we will see our Shopify products in the catalog. Alright, those are the basics of how to get your Shopify products into a Facebook catalog. Hopefully this video gave you an idea if this application is going to be a good fit for your Shopify store and if it's going to solve the Facebook catalog issues that you may or may not be having.